where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamo Gardens. Today what we'll be doing is repotting this ZZ plant. It is root bound, so the pot we'll be using is 16.5 centimeters. I will be using the mixture of compost and potting soil. It looks like this plant, the roots are so tight, there is no room to expand. It feels like they are stuck, it's stuck in this pot. I am trying to be careful so that I don't break the plant. And I broke it. The pressure from the roots have caused the pot to bulge. It's like whatever I am doing is not helping at all. Finally, it came out. This plant was due for repotting because you can see the roots are tight, so it doesn't need a new pot. By repotting, it helps the plant by providing it with larger root space, which stimulates growth and prevents root-bound conditions. It also replenishes soil nutrients. Overall, repotting gives a plant a new start. Potting soil provides nutrients for the plants, but these are eventually depleted. Repotting into fresh soil provides a rich source of essential nutrients for the plant. Fresh soil provides better aeration and drainage. By providing fresh soil, repotting can reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases that might affect the plant. New soil can better hold and distribute moisture around the roots, ensuring consistent hydration. Signs of a pot-bound plant: roots growing out of the drainage holes, soil drying very quickly, or the plant pushing itself out of the pot. When you notice any of these signs, it's time to repot your plant. Repotting offers a healthy beginning for the plant, especially for those house plants that have a lot of energy to grow.
Mamo, yes, mamo, let the green roots run.
Now let's water our plant.
Dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you soon.